Okay, I actually want to plan an MVP. Okay, how I do that is I'll open my note and write everything about MVP. So MVP means minimum viable product, what people use, how it solves a problem. Okay, that is what we call MVP. So once you write it down, I will advise you to write it as honest as you can. Write your MVP as honest as you can. Just write everything how you think of it. If you are a planner, if you are a strategist, if you are very creative, have a specific note where you write all those things down, because you're gonna use it later. Who knows? It might be a scalable project in the future that will help to solve problems. But don't make sure you don't replicate what others have been built, because if you are doing so, you will not have the ability to think out of the box. Okay, you will not have the ability to think of new levels. So make sure you are authentic. So I kind of get this idea, and I started writing everything down, started writing how it will look like, how the interface will look like, how the dashboard will look like, what the users click per section or per page, and where it takes the user. Literally, I am thinking like a full stack developer, the front end, the back end architecture, the UI UX designer, the product manager. I am actually thinking a lot about this, because when you put it down, it is easy to iterate the idea or brainstorm the idea with AI agents or AI models that you want to use. You can use WhatsApp AI, yes, Meta AI. You can use Grok, you can use Gemini, you can use ChatGPT. Anyone that is preferable to you. All of them are good. They are pretty good. Okay. So now I'm going to use Sonnet 4.6. Okay, it's on low latency, but I will still achieve what I want to achieve today. So I want to click send. So within some minutes, it's going to plan everything. It's going to plan everything step by step. You can see, wants to be notified when cloud responds. Yes. Allow. Okay. So you can see, this is a genuinely ambitious idea. Essentially building a cloud app browser similar conceptually to how AWS and web apps work, but with a curated marketplace layer on top. Let me break this down across product architecture and design dimension. Here is a comprehensive blueprint. So this blueprint is what I will use when designing the project. Is what I will use when I look at this. I will know, oh, this is how the whole layers of the product will be like. For example, this is the user layer, what users sees and do. First of all, they come to the app, my active apps, app folders, finance, games, social, and etc. Discover new launch apps, analytics, user. That is what user will see when they log in into this project that I'm about to take on. So here I have my apps platform called the engine everything runs on. I have app runtime, sandbox, iframe,